Have you ever thought about discovering Iceland away from the beaten path? In a van, strong enough to lead you to the remote parts of the island. Never getting lost, the nearest sites just one click away. Imagine you have a home to take everywhere you want to go. Imagine to have a fully equipped kitchen, to wake up right next to waterfalls, drinking coffee while in bed. Always warm, everything's charged. Imagine to explore what Iceland truly can be like. What it feels like, away from the crowd, just you and the road. Imagine there would be a rental, offering exactly that.